Hey everyone, today we are going to show you how to log into your Blackhorse online account on your Windows PC or laptop. Firstly, open your preferred search engine and type in Blackhorse login in the URL box and then hit search. You will see two links on the top. One is to log in to your online account and next is to log in as well as to create your online account. You can choose any of them. I will go with the first link. Once the page loads, you will need to accept all the cookies. Next, enter your mail ID that you use to create your account and input your account password. There is also an option called Forget Email Address or Password, which help user to reset their mail address and password. Once you have entered your mail address and password, hit the login button. That's how you log into your Blackhorse online account. Thanks for watching our video. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.